let's harvest and feed the black soldier fly farm. So I've got an ice cream bucket full of things that I don't want to give to the chickens. For one thing, my chickens don't eat citrus. So putting it in the run doesn't do any good because it just is going to sit there and rot. And also this citrus is a little bit moldy. Actually, that one's a lot moldy. And I don't like to give the chickens moldy food. And I've got some moldy bread. And again, I don't like to give things that are moldy to the chickens. It can cause intestinal problems. Every animal has a tolerance for how much mold they can tolerate. Some birds, like birds that eat carrion, that eat rotting meat, like roadkill, have a pretty high tolerance. Chickens is kind of medium to low-ish. So I don't like to give them too much mold because if they're eating a lot of gross things, they can get an internal yeast infection that presents as something called vent gleat, which is similar to something like athlete's foot in people. And it's just really gross and ugly. I don't want my birds to be gross and ugly. Plus, it also increases the chances that they'll get fly strike, which is where flies essentially lay eggs on the bird and they start to digest the broken down skin from the yeast infection. It's really nasty, and if left untreated, it can become fatal. So feeding them moldy food is something I avoid. Black soldier flies like it though, so it goes to them. And a little cardboard on top for egg laying. Well, I think they ate them all. Where they're standing is where I dumped them, and yeah, it's all gone. Good job, girls. Good work.